Hey guys, I know you've been asking for this, so here's my apartment tour. So the first thing you see is this cord of 3 strands is not easily broken, and that was a gift given to me at my wedding. I have a queen bee sign that's very sentimental to me, so I always have that hanging up. I have this H lamp here that you can probably get at Target or Walmart. I have some sunglasses in case I'm walking out the door and I want to take some shades. I have a candle. I have a Live Sparkly sign, a bat that's also very sentimental to Kyle. And this is where we keep our liquor. This is a peace lily. Somebody at work gave this to me. They told me it's really hard to kill, so it's perfect for me, you know. This is my kitchen. I love my kitchen so much. A lot of the appliances I registered for my wedding, which is amazing because I've got a lot of things like this bougie garbage can that I would have never bought myself. This is from Simple Human. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. I love it because when you close it, it has a very soft touch close, so you can't hear anything. So a lot of the appliances you're about to see, like here at my coffee station, were given to us again through Bed Bath & Beyond and through our registry. These are just some utensils that we have. This is my Ninja coffee maker. I love this coffee maker. It's so damn good. And it comes with like a little manual frother there. I have a little faux plant that I got from Target, a But First coffee sign I got on Amazon, and my knife set, which is amazing. Thank you, Fran. Here is the other side of my counter. This is my spice rack. I love this spice rack because you can see everything that's going on inside of it. My little sprays and my KitchenAid maker, which I've yet to use, but I know I will because I love to bake. My toaster and blender, and then I have some candles here. This is a peach candle from Bed Bath & Beyond and a little ginger candle. I'm trying to use up all my candles because I'm trying to go straight diffuser, you know? And I have it on a little stand that I got from Burlington. It's a like cake stand. And then this is the other side of the counter. I have a stone soap dispenser from Target or Walmart. I don't remember. And then on this side, I have my dish rack. And I'm getting lost here, people. Okay, here. On to laundry. They put behind this door my laundry machines, which I love because it's nice and neat and it's out of the way. So I love that they put that little detail in the apartment. And this is my dining area. I love this dining area. It's very simple. We got this clock, again, off of our registry from Bed Bath & Beyond. Kyle actually picked it out. It's very old, very rustic looking. This piece here is the first piece I ever bought for the apartment from Burlington, and if you're on my Instagram and you follow me, you saw when I bought this piece because I posted it, and I have it sitting on a silver place setting. And this table was given to us by Kyle's brother, so I'm not exactly sure where it's from, but you can find stuff so similar at Target and Walmart. This is my favorite room in the whole house. This is my living room. I'm going to start on one side. This is just a closet, and I have Kyle's guitars on either side of our TV setup here. I have an H here made out of corkscrews that hey, what's that doing open? I have an H here that somebody gave me made out of corkscrews. I have a vase and a couple of other little vases that I got from, I believe it was either Home Goods or Burlington, I'm not sure. I have a chip cup from Disney World. I have the Mr. and Mrs. sign from our sweetheart table at our wedding. There's some pictures of me and Kyle and his new niece. And those chalices I got from Burlington. This stand that this is sitting on right now is actually a heater / fake fireplace that I got from Wayfair. I love this. This is actually a really great heater for the wintertime. These are our curtains. I love them because they're still sheer and we get a lot of light in the living room. But I got them off of Amazon. And in the corner here, I have our faux marble snack trays. We also got these off of our registry. I love this. This is such a great gift to go in with friends to get someone. They're so cute and they go so well with the living room decor. And I got this tall lamp to also brighten up the corner from Bed Bath & Beyond. This is the sectional that we got from Bob's. It's a very neutral color. The furry pillows actually came with this couch. The purple and white pillows I got from Burlington. The throw blanket was a gift, but you can find something similar at Target. It took me such a long time to find a piece of artwork that would fit the living room with something big, something that was purple. I found this piece at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it was actually on clearance. This rug we got from Wayfair as well. It's 2 inches high. I love this rug. It's very, very comfortable, very well made. This is my table. I got this from IKEA. Amazing, great quality table. I love it because it has a section in the middle that you can pull it out and store stuff. If you're a neat freak like me, it sucks because there's no hiding anything and you have to make sure it's clean. So that's the only downside to this table, but I do like this little second level. There's my owl. You guys have seen him before. I got him from Burlington. I have some picture frames, some photo albums, and the books that I am currently reading. By the way, this one is great, so if you haven't read it, get your hands on it. This is on top of the table. This bowl I got from Burlington. I just filled it with some crystals that I got from Amazon, some stones, and the essential oils that I have in my diffuser. So down the hallway, let's turn a light on because it's dark. This is where the magic happens, people. This is my bedroom. Again, I worked really hard on designing this room. I love decorating, and Pinterest definitely helped. The first thing I want to go over is the bed frame that we got this from Bob's. And I love the little studding details and that it's actually like hugged all the way around the mattress. And it's very well made. These pillows I got from Burlington. And the duvet cover, which is the gray cover, I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I wanted a hotel fluffy bed type of look, so you have to get 2 comforters in order to get that look, so that's what I did. So one's a regular comforter, one's a duvet cover. Hi guys. This is our nightstand setup. This mirror I got from Amazing Savings. The lamps I got from HomeGoods. This is my little frame you guys have seen before of when I got engaged. My famous Beauty and the Beast nightlight from Amazon. This is a little plate that I just painted myself. I have like my current jewelry and stuff on it. A coaster, and then these are my night tables, which I love. I got these from IKEA. And this rug is also from Wayfair. This is also a 2-inch high rug, except it's not as thick as the one in the living room. But it's still a pretty good rug. The red blackout curtains I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, and the sheer ones are from Target. This is one of the full marble tables. I have my diffuser on it that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. This is amazing for when the air is just really dry. It puts so much moisture back into the air. I have a Google Home, which I use all the time. I love it. Some faux flowers from HomeGoods. And it's just sitting on top of my Alex drawers that stores my makeup. Next, I know you see some money there. That's actually a very sentimental piece to Kyle. So if you guys want to see more on the sentimental pieces, I'll make an entire video dedicated to that. But this is our TV stand set up here. We mounted our TV. This entire dresser is from IKEA. It's an amazing price, amazing quality. I love it. So on the dresser, I have a lot of frames that we received as gifts. These chalices, I got them at Burlington. This little Mr. and Mrs. sign I got as a gift as well. It was ordered offline. I'm not sure from where. This large paper flower, I actually made it myself. So if you guys want to know the video I saw to make it, I'll link it below. Just let me know. And over here, I have some more pictures. I have to fill all of these frames. I haven't done that yet. This is my dad. And this is a candle warmer that I have. You can get that at Walmart or Target. A sea urchin on top of the papers as a paperweight. I got my printer from Target. And the filing cabinet is also from Target. And the large, tall fan is the best thing ever. We got that as a gift, but I'm not sure from where. This is our closet. I'm not opening that though, because, you know, we don't got the time. But that's basically the overview on my room. Let me know at any point if you guys have any questions, but we're done here. So if we walk further down the hallway, this is another double closet, but there's just like camera equipment and stuff in there, so I'm not gonna really go in there. And this is the last room in the house. This is my bathroom. The rug's on the floor. I got the white one from HomeGoods and the green one from Target, I believe. This candle warmer, I had received it as a gift, but you can get a similar one at Target or Walmart as well. The tumblers that you see are from Target, I want to say. I don't know. The faux plant is from Target. The stone pieces are from Target. And the ducks I got as a gift, but I'm sure you can get them online. I'm not really sure where they're from. The towels that you see are from Target, as well as the wipies, you know, because you gotta have those. And the garbage can is also from Target. These sea urchins, again from Target. You could really build a really cute bathroom off of Target. This shower curtain I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe, and it has a little green in it which matches the rug and the towels that I have. The H towels I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they match this little piece that I picked up at HomeGoods. Guys, that's really it. That is the end of the apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I breezed over a lot of stuff because I wasn't sure how long this video was gonna be, so hopefully it wasn't too long. But if you guys want to know anything else, or if I skipped over a piece that you really want to know about, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.